Hello everyone. This question can be solved in exactly 5 seconds. So basically we have multiples of a number and we have odd number of multiples. That is 19 multiples of there. So average is a middle number, which is 19 plus 1 by 2, which is 10th number. 10th number is the middle number, and since we talk first 19 multiples, so average is 10 into 12, that is 10th multiple of 12. Answer is 120. So this takes exactly 5 seconds, and for me to explain it has taken 10 seconds, but to solve it should take not more than 5 seconds. Now let us see the logic behind solving all these types of questions. So first thing, numbers should be continuous, or numbers should be equidistant. That is, they should have a common difference between every pair of numbers. So which numbers are equidistant? If I have to tell you an example, we can have consecutive odd numbers. So just consecutive numbers like 3, 4, 5, 6. It can start from any number. Okay, so this is consecutive numbers. We have consecutive even numbers, which are something like, say if I start from 10, it's going to be 10, 12, 14, 16. So these are consecutive even numbers. We can have consecutive odd numbers. If I start from say 5, it's going to be 5, 7, 9, 11, or multiples of any number. Okay, so multiples of any number are going to be say in this case these are multiples of 12 or multiples of 3, anything you can take. Okay, so I'll take multiples of 5, and when I talk about multiples also, it need not be from the first multiple, it can start from anywhere in between also. So in all such numbers where we have a common difference between every pair of numbers, this trick can be applied. This is the first point to be considered, that is, numbers should be equidistant and it has to be either in the increasing or decreasing order. The second point to be considered is number of values that are given. Okay, so how many values are given? Do we have odd number of values or even number of values? If number of values given are odd, then average is equal to n plus 1 by 2th value. N plus 1 by 2, its value, not that number. And if it is even number of values given, then n by second value plus its next value. Average of these two is your required average. So considering these 2 points here, multiples, as soon as I see multiples, it is of this category, multiples of a number. Next, how many numbers are given? 19 numbers are given, which is odd number of values. Therefore, which is average? 19 plus 1 by 2, which is 10th value. 10th value is average, and we are talking about first 19 multiples. Therefore, 10th value is nothing but 10th multiple, which gives you 12 into 10, 120. That is the answer. Now in the description below this video, I have mentioned the link to my Telegram and WhatsApp groups. You can join them, and I will be posting same type of questions, 3 questions of the same type in the Telegram channel, and you can answer them as a poll. You can answer it. You can also answer them in our YouTube community tab, and subscribe to the channel, share it with all your contacts. You will be getting such questions regularly in our YouTube channel from now onwards, which is going to help you a lot in your placement and competitive exam preparation. So happy learning. Keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye.